Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Oh, okay. One of them's a liar. So now someone's ringing the doorbell. Who is it? Now today in this video I have heard a lot of people coming on TikTok and they are starting their SATS yesterday on Monday. So I thought, well, today's Tuesday, so this video I had 2 days ago on Monday. You all started your SATS, so a couple of you did. So I thought I would take a free key stage 2 SATS online test 10 minutes. And so we have 10 minutes to answer 10 questions of this maths. And I'm going to see if my maths knowledge skills are any good and if I would be any good online on my SATS. I took my SATS about 7 years ago, so we're going to see if we're any good, if we're bad, if we're going to pass, if we're going to fail. We're going to go on test 1 and we're going to start the test right now. Let's have a look. The clock shows that time Craig needs to wake up in the morning to start his paper round. What time does he need to set his alarm to? That is 5:05. There we go. I know that one. Oh, we need to press next. Okay, work out. Oh, we need some paper. We've got paper here. 5. No, that says 35271 plus 3286. So we're going to do 7, and then you got 7 times 14, which is 15. You got the 2, which is a 5. 5 is 3 is 8. And then you got the 5, so 38557. 385. Oh, which is also B. Okay, round 838406 to the nearest 10,000. So we go to the 10,000, which is 38, and obviously we know if we're doing 38 and it's above 5, we round upwards. So that is 840,000, which is D. There we go. Work out 35% of 2300. So 10% is 23, or is that 1%? 23, or is it 230? And then let's say it's 230, okay? So we've got the 30% here, which is 096, okay? And then we need to halve that, so that's 50. Add 15, which gives us 65. Add them together, which gives us 15. And you carry the 1, which gives us 7755. There's no 755. Right. So we've obviously done this wrong. Work out 35% of 2300. This is correct. 230 plus 230 plus 230, right? Half of 30 is 15. Half of 100. Half of 200 is 100, so that gives us 150, which means 175, which means 690 plus 175, which gives us 5, which is 6, and then we got 1 over, which is 865. Is that on there? No, it's not. I'm going to go, oh my goodness, I don't know. Right, I'm really good at working out percentages, and this is doing my head in now. Right, so we've got 150, which is, right, so we've got 100, which is half of 200. Then we've got the 15, add them together, which is 115. Okay, this makes sense. Plus 690. Okay, so we've got 5018. It's 805. We got there in the end, everybody. Let's continue. Which of these is a number, is a factor of 36, but it's not the factor of 30? 9, 18, 27, 36. C is a factor of 36. But it's not a factor of 30 because it doesn't go into it. Look at shape A to F. How many of these shapes are irregular? C, E. I'm going to go for B, which is 3. I'm going to go 3. I don't know if that's true. Work out. Okay, so we need a division. We're going to use the bus stop method, which is 196. Divided by 6. 1 into 6 you cannot do. So you have to do 6 into 19. 6, 12, 18, which is 3. So with a 0 on the top, 3 there, and you carry the 1. And you do 6 into 12, which is 2, and 6 into 6 is 1. So it's 3, 2, 1, which your answer is D. Max's house is 20 miles away from Koff's house. I don't know what that is. Approximately how far is kilometres? 5 miles in 8 kilometres. So 20 miles away. So 5 miles, so we need to do 5 divided by 4, which is 5 divided by 20, which is 4. 4 times 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, which is 32 kilometres, right? So which is D. I think that's correct. They can hear dogs barking. Ella's grows a sunflower and records its height on the line graph. How much did... Oh, we've got 6 minutes. We've got ages left of this, everybody. How much did the sunflower grow between week 2 and week 8? So we need to work out week 2, which gives us a 10 on... There we go. And then we got week 8, which is 32, which gives you 22. Is that on there, which is B? We're just going to double check that. Okay, so we've got 10, take to 32, which gives you 22. Next. Okay. The final question is, what is 1_6? Let me grab another piece of paper. So we've got 1_6, and then you divide that by 8. So whatever you do to the bottom, you times by the top, right? So you got divided by the bottom, or times by the bottom, divided by the top. So 6 times 8, which gives us 48, because obviously 6 times 5 is 40, plus the 8, which is 48. And then you've just got, so 1_48. Is it that? So should we go for A? But then, yeah, are we going to go for A? I'm going to go for A. I'm going to go for A. Right. Oh, there's another question. I don't know how many questions there are. Leo chooses a number between 1 and 100 and calls it Y. He divides it by 2 and then adds 6 to the results. The answer is 30. What is the volume of Y? The result. Okay, so let's take the 30. I'm going to have the 30 and we're going to take 6 and then we're going to times it by 2. So which is 24 times 2, which gives us 48. So, and 48 is on there, so I'm going to guessing that's the correct answer. Okay. The last question, everybody. The last question. A box has a measurement shown in a diagram. What is the volume of the box? So are we timesing 20 times by 25? Is that the question? Are we allowed to use a calculator? So we've got 200. Are we doing 25 times 40? Is that what we're doing? So we're doing, let's do this method. We've got times and we've got 20 and we've got 5. And let's do a 40. Okay, that's what we'll do. So we'll do, let's do a 40, and that's a 0. So 4 times 2, which is 8. Add them together, which is 800. You add 2 zeros. 40 times 5, which is 5 times 4 is 20. And you add the 200, and you got 1,000. That can't be correct then, can it? No, it can't, because that's a 4. You add the 2 zeros. No. Should we just guess? Are we guessing? I'm going to go for 3,600. I feel like that could be correct. I don't know. It's definitely not 85. Because I just don't think that's correct. Because that would be like adding them all together, wouldn't it? I'm going to go for 36,000. This is a complete guess. I do not know this answer. So 40 times 25. So if we add 40 times 10, which is 400. Then we've got 400 again, which is 20. Then we got 200, which then gives you 1,000. Okay. But then we've also got 1,000 on the other side as well, which is that way, 1,000. And then, 1,000, 1,000. Then we got the top of it. I'm going to go for C. Mark test. We scored 10 out of 12. Okay, just a few correct. Don't worry. Half back. Almost all correct. Your SATS are superstar. Okay, we're going to review the answers. Let's have a look. We got B incorrect. What was B? What did I put? Oh, shockingly. We would have got that correct. I just didn't read it properly, did I? I miscorrected the I knew what it was. It's 5 past 5. I should have put C. I don't know why I put B. I bet everyone's screaming like, how did you do that wrong? I can't tell the time. It's because I saw a 1 there and there's a 5 and it threw me off. That is 5 past 5. And I knew the answer. I do know that. Okay. Let's continue. Which is the one we got incorrect? Oh, it was B. Okay. I bet it was the last one, wasn't it? What is the last question? Oh, it was C. What did I put? The answer is D. Oh, okay. Oh, the answer's D. I was probably going to put that as well. Well, everyone, my math skills are all right. I would have got 11 out of 12 if I read the first question properly, but obviously I was rushing. But yeah, I think I would, that last one, I'm not very good at shapes and volume. Here we go. But yeah, I feel like I did all right. Yeah, I feel like the SATS question, I don't think it would have been this hard. I don't know if it would have been hard. Obviously, I've not done any revision. This is off the back. If you enjoyed this video and you want me to do another one for the SPAG spelling test, make sure to put it down in the comment section if you want to see this. I do want to say thank you all very much for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time for a brand new video. Bye-bye, everyone. Oh, okay. One of them's a liar. So now someone's ringing the doorbell. Who is it?